Going to give you an arcade project update. Let's get started. This is going to be a really quick update on the arcade project. I did actually have some time to make some progress. I'm in my garage at the moment, and you can kind of hear my neighbors mowing their lawn in the background there. What we're looking at here is just a pile of wood and some MDF. This guy, if you remember, was the board that I had marked up in my last video update, and I had some time this past weekend to actually cut out the template, and this is what I'm going to be using for the side of the cabinet, so you can see pretty much the basic shape of what the side of the cabinet is going to look like. And I went out and I bought MDF, 3/4 inch MDF in 2x4 sheets, so 2 feet by 4 feet lengthwise, and I bought 3 of those as opposed to buying one full 4x8 sheet because this was just a lot easier to move around, and I probably didn't need a full sheet of MDF to make the project. So I saved myself a couple of bucks by doing it this way, and like I mentioned, it was a hell of a lot easier to transport. What I ended up doing is I spent some time cutting out really rough representations of the sides. So I've got one here, and I'll back up so you can kind of see the shape there, and then I got another one that looks kind of just like it right there. Now they are rough, and if I kind of move in a little bit, you still see the marks here that are the tracing from the template. And I did cut them a little bit sloppily, and actually a little bit not to size, because what I'm going to end up doing is using this and a flush cutting bit and my router to actually make both of these sides exactly the same. So I'm going to clamp these, clamp this side to here, and then again to the other one, and that way I'll have 2 exact pieces, and that I think will make my life a hell of a lot easier. I probably would have had most of the stuff done and most of the parts cut this weekend, but I ran into a problem, and it had nothing to do with my my setup here, and it had everything to do with my wife, who was doing some cleaning of her car and left the keys in and was listening to music while she was doing the work, and the battery ran out. So we got the car in the garage, and you can see there on the floor my battery charger, and had to have the car in the garage overnight so I could charge the battery so that it would start working again. So I had no more workspace and no more area to do what I needed to do, so that's where we ended up. So that's a really quick update on where we're at. I promise I will have some more updates. Most of my traveling is done, at least for the next few weeks, and we should be getting back to doing some project work. So I guess on location in my garage, and I don't know what else I can show you in here. That's sort of it for the update. So definitely check me out on Twitter. You'll definitely get updates on how things are going and what's happening over there. Also links to Google+. You get updates on when new videos are posted. And what else? I guess subscribe and like, because that helps me out a ton. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.